Introducing the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTS, an open-top hybrid supercar that doesn't just redefine driving, it reprograms the very DNA of what a Ferrari is meant to be. Gone are the days of choosing between raw power and clean energy. This beast gives you both. A twin-turbo V6 fused with an electric motor, launching you from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.8 seconds, all while screaming like a Formula One car and whispering like a luxury EV. But here's the twist. This isn't just a topless version of the 296 GTB. Ferrari redesigned airflow systems, recalibrated dynamics, and retuned the engine to make the GTC even more alive. The retractable hardtop folds down in 14 seconds at speeds up to 28 mph. And when it's down, you're no longer driving, you're flying on four wheels. Step inside, and its cockpit meets spaceship. A fully digital dash, haptic controls, and a steering wheel inspired by race cars, not road cars. Every button is placed for maximum control, and the SF90 style interface gives you access to everything from eDrive mode to performance telemetry. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and you're sitting in it. Underneath it all is Ferrari's V6 plug-in hybrid powertrain, delivering 818 horsepower. That's more power than the V12 Enzo. Let that sink in. The car even comes with Ferrari's side-slip control, 6.1 and Emanettino driving modes, switching between eDrive, hybrid, performance, and qualify, depending on whether you want to cruise quietly or cause a sonic boom. Compared to the 296 GTB, the GTS offers a visceral layer of engagement. You hear every crackle from the exhaust, feel every vibration through the seat, and when the roof's down, the roar of that V6 hybrid symphony surrounds you like a 360-degree sound system crafted by the gods of speed. And if you're wondering about the competition, well, McLaren Artura and Lamborghini Revuelto better keep looking over their shoulders. The 296 GTS is leaner, louder, and smarter. It isn't trying to be the fastest hybrid, it's trying to be the best driving machine on Earth. So, is the Ferrari 296 GTS the ultimate open-top hybrid? Or has Ferrari just created something the world wasn't ready for? Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Lamborghini Huracan N Sterato or the McLaren 750S Spider? Smash that like button if you felt your heart race. Subscribe for more insane future car reveals. And turn on the bell because we're just getting started.